What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're going to be looking at this wonderful boom and crash strategy that is going to help you make some real profits in 2023 while it's using it. We're going to be using our 5-minute time frame to make analysis, and as you can see, the recent analysis that we have, we're actually in profit. So if you also want to be able to catch these moves and move with the market, please make sure you watch this video up until the end so that you understand from the settings to the conditions and also the back testing that we're going to do at the end of this video. Okay, so this is how the strategy looks like. As usual, we'll go through the step-by-step process of installing it. We'll talk about the indicators that are involved. We'll talk about the conditions that have to be met, and also we'll try and explain on your take profit zones, your stop loss zones, and how else you can have a better advantage over the market. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you like this video. I review different trading strategies each and every single day, and we might actually resume the 100-day trading challenge. If you guys are interested in the 100-day trading challenge to be back, make sure you comment down below that you are interested. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video. Okay, so each and every single day we'll be here looking at the market and analyzing to see how best we can make some profits. So it will be wise for you to have your notification bell turned on so that I'll personally notify you when I post a video right here. So this is how the strategy looks like. As usual, we'll try and have a step-by-step process where we install this strategy together through the settings and then through the conditions as well. So what I'll do right now is I'll go to my indicator section. I'm going to remove all the indicators that I have right here. Okay, and as you can see, we'll be left with a blank chart. I'll also remove some of the markings on my charts. That's price action. Remember, I do confluence trading. I also involve my price action in my trades just to increase my chances of winning. So if you also want to learn price action and confluence trading, make sure you are in my mentorship program. I'll leave a link to our Telegram channel in the description box below. It's completely free to join. Just click it and you'll be in that group. There are over 7,000 traders already right now. So let's get into business. Let's get into this strategy. Right now, I'm on Crash 500. We're on a 5-minute time frame, like I said, and I want to start installing my strategy. So the first indicator that I want to add is going to go to our main chart, and it's going to be the Bollinger Bands. And these Bollinger Bands are going to have the following properties. We have got a period of 34, a shift of 0. We've got deviations of 1.618 apply to close. There is no need for levels, and you can allow the visualization to be on all time frames just in case you want to move around. And then I chose the blue color for our Bollinger Bands. Okay, so make sure you have these correct settings. So now if I click done, you see that we now have Bollinger Bands right on our charts, as you can see right there. And the next indicator that we need is going to be an addition to our entries, just in another confirmation, but we're still going to edit. Going back to my indicator section, I'm going to click on main window, and we're going to add the parabolic SAR dot. Okay, so the parabolic SAR is going to have the following properties. We've got a step of 1.000, a maximum of 0.200, and you can allow it to appear on all time frames. I'm just going to change this color to a different color. I'll change it to maybe a green color. Okay, and I'll click done, and as you can see, we now have those parabolic SAR dots right around our charts. Okay, our candlesticks on top and below. Okay, moving on, we want to add some more indicators. So going back to indicator section, this time we want to add our RSI, which is our relative strength index, which is down here on oscillators. And if I click it, we'll be able to change the properties. Now the period has to be 1, apply to close. You're going to need these 3 levels: your sell zone, your buy zone, and your take profit zone. Your sell zone will be level 90, your buy zone will be level 10, your take profit will be on level 50. Okay, so if you click done, And then the style, I would like to put this back to the same color as my background. So I have a white background, and I've changed the color to white from my RSI because I don't want any lines from the RSI. I just want these 3 levels to be showing on my RSI and nothing else. So if I click done, you see that I only have these 3 levels showing up. My buy zone, which we said is level 10, take profit zone level 50, sell zone level 90 as specified earlier. Okay, now last but not least, we need to add something that is going to finalize this whole strategy. So I'm going to go back to my indicators, but this time we're going to click where it says indicator window 1, and we're going to add a moving average. And this moving average will have the following properties. We have a period of 10, a shift of 0, the method will be exponential. We're going to apply to close, and then there's no need for any levels, and you can allow this visualization of this moving average to be on all time frames, and the style will be red. So I chose the red color for this moving average. So if I click done, you see that a red moving average, a red line right here, will be added, and this will be the final indicator for this strategy. Now what's left is for us to dive deep into the conditions, look at the strategy, and see entries and do some back testing again with this strategy. But before we get into all that, make sure you are a subscriber and you have turned on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post the next video. We're almost at 40,000 subscribers, and we're going to do a massive giveaway and a massive transformation to this channel. So please help me, guys, get to 40,000. If you enjoy these type of videos, a like to this video will be appreciated. Let's get 100 likes so that I know at least I have 100 people listening each and every single time I post a video. Now you can comment down below if you're interested in me starting again that 100-day trading challenge, and I'll definitely start it up. Remember to join our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. Just click it and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel, where you'll be able to see my trading results, my students' trading results, what we are offering, like signals, account management, and other things that are going to help you grow in your trading journey. So feel free to join. Again, it's free. Just click the link and click join, and you'll be in already. You can also check out our TikTok account for more strategies and more trading tips if you are interested. All links will be in the description box below. If you also want my number, you get it from our Telegram channel or from our TikTok account, and you'll be able to chat with me privately or directly. Okay, let's get back to business. Let's get to how do you then trade using this strategy. Okay, I was actually late on that entry that you see there, that buyer entry, but I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get in and start off it early. Okay, now the very simple conditions: you're going to be in your 5-minute time frame. You're going to adjust your zoom level. You're going to adjust your zoom level. Make sure you adjust your zoom level. If you want to stick to the smallest zoom level, then make sure all your entries will be your smallest zoom level, so you can actually have this as a zoom level. This is the smallest zoom level. Okay, or you can change to the 3rd smallest zoom level. You still get the same results. Okay, you actually get more entries rather than on your smallest zoom level, but the smallest zoom level is the perfect zoom level because all charts will be clear and nice. Okay, but the 3rd smallest will actually be giving you more entries, which means you can actually get to trade more times. If you want to be swing trading, use the smallest zoom level, and if you want to be intraday trading, that is getting in and out of the market each and every single day, then you use the 3rd from last zoom level. Okay, so how do you trade with this strategy? I'll just try and use the 3rd from last so that you guys can clearly see the candlesticks, can clearly see everything on my screen. Okay, how do you trade with this strategy? Number 1, you're going to be using your main chart and your indicator window 1 concurrently, which means that what's appearing on your main chart should also be resonating to what's appearing on your indicator window 1. So the conditions for a buy trade, for say, to start off with a buy trade, are you want to have your candlesticks breaking the lower Bollinger Band to be above it. So they must have broken it before, and they will have to come back to break to be above. Okay, so you see at this point our candlesticks broke to be below, right? You want them to break to be above. That's the first step. Okay, the next step is you'd also want to have your red line here reaching your buy zone. So now you have two confirmations for a buy trade. And then last but not least, you can also take advantage of these parabolic SAR dots. Whenever you see parabolic SAR dots below candlesticks, then it means that you are in an uptrend. So it will be just another added advantage for your uptrend. Okay, so once you see your parabolic SAR dots appearing now below the candlesticks, then you know that we are in a downtrend. Can you see they switched from being above and then they went straight below? Okay, so with that, you could have actually entered your buy trade right around this region, and it would have taken you all the way up to that zone. Okay, let's take a look at another example, maybe a sell this time, which is basically the same. You wait for candlesticks to break to be below the upper Bollinger Band this time. Remember, this time the previous time we were dealing with this lower Bollinger Band, but this time we want to deal with this upper Bollinger Band. Okay, and you want it to break. You want your candlestick to break to be below from above, right? And of course, you want your red line to be in your sell zone like this. And as you can see, the market actually, so this is a 5-minute time frame, guys. So don't think you are going to wait for ages for this to happen. This will be happening frequently and rapidly, actually fast, because you can actually have series of spikes just happening here. Can you see that? Then the market spiked from this level all the way down to this level in less than an hour. So you really have to pay attention to the strategy, and you really have to pay attention to your charts. Now we can go on and on and on crash, but I hope you guys already see the concept. Okay, let's take a look at boom, so that you see that even if you're on boom, you still make your profits. Okay, so let's look for a trade, maybe a buy trade. Let's talk about this buy trade. Firstly, your candlestick, can you see that they broke this blue line and went below, and then they broke to be above, which you say is the first indication for a buy trade, right? At the same time, we want to be on our buy zone with our red line, and at the same time, you are looking at your parabolic SAR dots, and you can see now they are below your candlesticks, which means the uptrend had been confirmed quite a number of times. And as you can see, price then moved all the way up. Now, if you haven't noticed, you're actually going to be trading from one lower band to the upper band, or one band from the other. So if you are buying, you're coming from the lower Bollinger Band up to the upper Bollinger Band, or your first TP can actually be your middle Bollinger Band, and then you close some positions, you add more positions, or you can actually take all profits. Okay, so you're just trading within those Bollinger Bands and try and maximize on that. You can actually use your strategy in reverse, that if you see your red line now in your sell zone, it obviously means that your buy momentum is entered, right? So you can actually then exit that trade and enter into a new trade if it's possible, or just take your profits and look for another opportunity. So tell me, guys, what you think about this strategy. If you want a part 2 of me explaining in depth with these strategies, comment down below what you guys want, and we'll be able to deliver that to you if possible. Until next time.